Hi Pash. So I have one use case. I need your confirmation. So this is one calendar I created. The calendar name is AGD, and I also created a calendar link, and the URL is the same. Now what I'm doing, I'm going to deactivate this calendar itself. So by deactivating this, the link is we expect that link is also got deactivated. And if I go to any other calendar, and try to create a link with the same URL, it is not allowing. So I just wanted to know if after deactivating the calendar and not the link, should we allow to use that link in the that same link for creating a new link in another calendar? Yeah, that's my question. Thank you.